Hello friends, so today we have the topic translate text and document between language in the cloud. So in this lab, walk you through AWS Translate and we will know how to translate the text and document between language using Amazon Translate service. Okay, so you have already know about the Amazon transcript, right? And the translate in the previous my video. Okay, so right now I'm directly jump into the translate. So what we are doing here, right? So we have two tasks here. First one is translate text with the Amazon Translate and the translate document with the Amazon Translate again, right? So now let's jump into the AWS, right, console. So if you see here, we have the Amazon Translate service, right? If you write the Amazon Translate here in the search bar, then you will see this service. And if you click on this service, then you will get this page where you have the real-time translation, right? If I am going back on one page, right? So we have this landing page where we have to click launch real-time translate, then you will see this page. Okay, so now you can see here, right, the text and the document section. Okay, so first we will go with the text, right? So we have the source language, right? If you see here, so now we are going to select here the French, okay? And the target language will be the same, the English. Now I have some text in the French and I am going to put in this source tab, or I can say source code box, right? And immediately if you see I have pasted this text, you will get the target you will get the output in the target language, right? So this is the real-time translation. And if you want to see what is the API call if you're using by the API endpoint in the future with this service, so yeah, we have the request, right, where we have the text field, we have put here the French content, and we say okay, the source language code is FR and the target language code is EN. And what will be the JSON? So JSON have again three key but different name, right? We have the translated text where we have the translated the French to English, and again we have the source and the target. You also can copy it to save for future work, right? Now we have discussed about the text. Now we are going to discuss about the document. If you have any file, so how you are going to real-time translation, right? So for this, if I am going to select the document, and in the document, so I have some content in the Chinese, right? So I have already put here, so I am going to upload the one file where I have this content, right? And it will generate this. So I have already like a pickup earlier, right? So let me select here the English. Now there's an option to choose a file. So I am going to choose a file here. So the file name is sample text, and yeah, here's the text, right? And you can see the document type. So there's a simple text. I've already shown you. This is the file, right? This is the output. So for now, I can remove this here. I have just put it for the reference. So on the sample.txt file have only this content, the Chinese one, right? So if I am going to translate and download this file, so if you see this file have the content, so let me copy it into the notepad, right? So this is the content which is translated by this text, okay? And again we have the application integration section where you can see the JSON request, what the JSON request is. So we have the document key in which we have to provide the file path, complete file path. So for now, like I'd say only the sample.txt, because it is in the current directory, so it will be okay for it. And we have the source language code, so it is a like a ZH for the Chinese, and we have the target language, the EM. Again, we have the option to copy it, and we have the response as well with the different key. So yeah, this is all about the Amazon Translate, and in which we have just seen the real-time translations service. So for now, thank you so much, and we will connect in the another video with the new things. Yep, thank you so much.